In today's review, we'll be touring the Apurva Kempinski Bali. Perched above the cliffs of Nusa, the Kempinski first opened its doors in February 2019, introducing a new era of luxury to the island of the gods. Inspired by Bali's sacred temples, the resort's design is a majestic open-air theatre blending traditional craftsmanship with modern elegance. With 475 guest rooms, suites and villas, guests are immersed in unparalleled comfort. In 2024, the resort was recognised with the Best Sustainable Hotel Award, celebrating its commitment to environmental and social responsibility. Inside the lobby, the space rises like a grand atrium, a dance of light, water and stone. Every corner tells a story, from the soaring ceilings to the delicate Balinese carvings. It's a space that both inspires and welcomes presence. Here, time feels suspended as the day unfolds and sunlight drifts across the ocean and cliffs. As low tide transforms to high, the lapping sound of the waves is a balm for the soul. As we continue our tour, welcome to the Cliff Private Pool Ocean Junior Suite. Perched along the cliffside, the suite feels like a world suspended between sea and sky. Outside, a private infinity pool overlooks the horizon. A serene retreat where the sound of the waves becomes your only companion. Back inside, the bathroom is a sanctuary of marble, glass and light. At its heart, the freestanding tub faces the open ocean, framed by glass and sky. Amenities are refined and considered, everything you need and thoughtfully presented. We've opted for a connecting room that allows two side-by-side suite rooms to be used villa style with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, both facing out to the ocean. And as we can see, the configuration is almost identical. We loved that it's giving villa vibes without compromising on the incredible views. The Cliff Lounge is a pool and lounge area available for suite and villa guests. Serving up afternoon tea delights such as these each day from 3 to 4:30 p.m. and hors d'oeuvres and cocktails from 5 to 6 p.m. each evening. They also offer free-flow, freshly squeezed juices, coffee and tea all day long. The lounge is divided into 2 floors. The upper level is where they serve breakfast, and the lower level is where they serve drinks and nibbles to suite and villa guests. Breakfast the next day is at the Cliff Lounge upper level, where they offer a buffet of Indonesian and Western classics alongside made-to-order a la carte specialties. Another breakfast option is Parlour Restaurant, where a generous buffet awaits among the resort's main gardens. Directly above the Parlour restaurant sits Parlour Rooftop Bar. Cocktails are complimentary for suite guests each evening from 5 to 7 p.m. Our drinks arrive vibrant and refreshing, a toast to sunset skies. And as dusk falls, the lights begin to twinkle, transforming the resort into a luminous jewel perched above the ocean. As another day draws to a close, the moon casts silver across the cliffs and makes its serene ascent up to the sky, making way for the sun's golden arrival, ready to start another day. In the spirit of continued renewal and relaxation, we're here at the Apurva Spa for our complimentary massage included with our stay. Offering traditional Balinese therapies, ocean view treatment rooms, and a tranquil escape where every detail is designed for calm and rejuvenation. For lunch, we're here at Bai Yun. Translated as White Cloud, this is an authentic Chinese hot pot dining experience. The white clouds reflects the ethereal steam rising from the hot pots. You can choose from one of 3 soup bases, herbal chicken, pork ribs or vegetarian, and the fresh ingredients allows guests to craft their own personalised hot pot. The next day, we're back at Bai Yun for Yum Cha, available on weekends from 12 to 3:30 p.m. This is a set menu serving a smorgasbord of different dim sum and chef's specialty dishes. For dinner, we've come to Izakaya by Oku. This chic and classy Japanese restaurant is described as combining incredible ingredients with the latest composition techniques to serve artistic pieces on a plate. Whether it's luxurious spaces, fine dining, or thoughtful service you seek, the Kempinski is more than a resort. It's a celebration of place, craft, and the art of arrival. A sanctuary above the Indian Ocean, inviting you to linger, explore, and to be fully present. Join us as we continue discovering the world's most inspiring destinations. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.